Hi, I'm Kim Gladfelter, founder of PhysioFit Physical Therapy and Wellness. And I want to talk to you about a topic that's sometimes challenging to talk about. So, if intimacy has started to feel uncomfortable and disconnected and just not the way that it used to be for you, you're not alone. It's something you don't just have to simply accept. So, for many women, experiencing pain with intimacy, reduced sensation, difficulty with arousal or orgasm, or a sense of tension or guarding in their bodies is something that a lot of people experience. So, what most people don't realize is that these are often muscles, nerves, and circulation issues. It's not personal failure or something that's wrong with you. We created Reclaim Your Intimacy, which is a sexual wellness workshop designed to give women education, clarity, and some real options. In this workshop, we are going to be talking about how pelvic floor dysfunction can impact sexual wellness and how pelvic floor therapy helps restore coordination, comfort, circulation, and confidence in a respectful and individualized way, because everybody has different issues with what they need. We're also going to discuss how regenerative therapy and stim pod therapy can potentially support tissue health when needed, nerve signaling, blood flow when pain or sensitivity has lingered. So this is a safe, educational, judgment-free space. No pressure, no awkwardness, just helpful information and guidance. The workshop that we're doing is called Reclaim Your Intimacy. It's a sexual wellness workshop for women. And the workshop is going to be held on February 7th at 10 a.m. at our Los Altos clinic. It's 1000 Fremont Avenue, Suite 108 in Los Altos. Space is limited to 12 to keep the experience really personal. If you're ready to feel more comfortable and more connected and more confident in your body again, we'd love to have you there. So just enter your details below to reserve your spot, and we will see you then.